Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whatever time you're watching this, I just hope that you're having a great day. I literally just rolled out of bed. My aunt actually asked me to spray a bookshelf for her with some spray paint that she has. I think she applied like 2 coats to it already, and she wanted this to be the final coat, but I don't think it will work. So I'm going to carry the bookshelf outside. I'm going to take you guys with me, and I'm going to spray it down and see how best we can get it to look like the finished product that she wants it to be. But before we do that, I'm actually going to jump on YouTube. Of course, I'm a YouTuber, so whatsoever information that I want, it's only right that I jump on YouTube to find out how to spray a bookshelf with what would that be now? Spray paint. Let's see what comes up. Toops. I don't know why this is taking long. And there's like a heat wave going on in New York right now. So, all right, how to spray paint. Boom. This is
Ready to update
RustOleumBrands.
furniture, decor, and more?
All
Spray
right.
on a fresh.
All
When
right, so
tackling any
we're
spray
learning.
painting project, it's best
All right, I don't know. I don't
in the
care about the
surface.
prep.
It's always
We're
a good
past the
idea to
prepping
protect your
stage.
surroundings with a drop cloth and using painter's tape.
We're
Mask off areas
already
that will not
past the
need spray with
prepping stage.
Oleum primer rattle. Then shake the can for 1 minute.
All right.
Here's a tip. It's recommended that you shake the can often during your project. Shaking the can often will prevent clogging. To avoid runs and drips, hold the can approximately 10 to 12 inches from the surface you're painting.
All right.
Use a steady, even back and forth motion and slightly overlap the previous pass. Keep the can in motion while spraying so paint doesn't build up in one area, causing it to run. A good rule of thumb is to begin and end spraying beyond the edge of the surface you're painting. By doing this, you'll help eliminate any start and stop marks. It's always better to apply several lighter coats than one heavy coat. Between coats, be sure to allow the paint to dry according to the instructions found on the label. Recoating too soon will result in a wrinkling effect. Typically, dry times vary between 20 minutes and 2 hours. Always check the product label for detailed dry time instructions.
All right.
Tip. If wrinkling does occur, once the paint has fully dried, you can sand the surface smooth. After you have sanded, allow the full recoat time before recoating, as indicated by the recoat times on the product label. If you notice a run or drip, wipe off the excess paint with an absorbent cloth right away. To help avoid possible clogs, wipe off any excess paint from the spray nozzle before spraying the surface again. It's that simple. Once the finish is fully dry, you...
All right, so that's the quick 3-minute video on how to actually use a spray paint to paint furniture. So we're about to head outside. I'm going to show you the bookshelf that I'm going to do, and then we're going to take it outside and start spray painting. I'm actually in a designated undershirt right now. The shirt don't really mean much to me, and even if it gets paint on it, it's an undershirt, so nobody will see it. But this is from Thompson Tees. It's supposed to be an absorbent undershirt that basically absorbs sweat. So like right here is padded, so it absorbs, because typically when human beings sweat, they generally sweat in these areas first. So that's why I have the shirt. So even if it has paint on it, still works fine. And by the way, don't forget to like this video, to hit the subscribe button. I can't make any real estate moments by Boothe videos right now because I'm on vacation, but I'm still doing home related content because I'm doing this bookshelf up for my aunt, for her to put in her home to stack her books on. So it's still home related. I'm going to try to keep the theme of homes throughout these vlog style videos that I'll be doing. But anyway, let's jump into the foyer. All right, so this right here is the bookshelf that I'm going to be spraying down. If you look at it, you can see that there have been a few coats that have already been applied to it, but it still needs some final touches. For some reason, my aunt did not buy the gloss finish. She made a mistake and got the satin finish, but to be fair, it's still gonna need another coat after this, so she can get the gloss finish for the next coat. That would be, I think, will be the final coat for this particular project. So I'm going to take this outside now and we're going to start the process. All right, so we're about to start the process right now. Based on the video that I watched, it recommended that I keep shaking this thing up and I do even coats, back and forth, even coats. So that's what I'm going to try to do right now. I'm actually going to start at the base and work my way up. Alright, so I am going to make that bottom shelf dry per se. I'm trying to stay out of the path that the breeze is blowing the paint, so I don't inhale that stuff, to be honest. I think where I made a mistake, I forgot that they said I should spray on one coat, let it dry, and then apply another coat after that. But it doesn't look too bad and it's not running, so I guess this is the quick dry paint. As per usual, black man read, so I didn't even read the instructions on it before I started spraying. Yeah, there's a lot of reading. With a dip on that. If anything go wrong, we just sand it down. I'll hit it with a fresh coat. Really should have put on a mask. Matter of fact, let me go get one. Truth be told, I'm not typically the handyman type of person. My motto is just pay somebody to do it and get it done the right way and get it over with. But my aunt, one of my aunts, she's a DIY type of person. So, oh my God, I got paint on my elbow. I hope I'm not getting paint on the lens, because that would be something. That would be something. Alright. I don't know why I didn't let my girlfriend help me with this. She's the handy woman type. I should have just waited until she was off from work. Hello. I mean, it ain't bad. Well, that's the end of this bottle of paint. I think we're going to need about 2 to 3 more bottles of paint to actually get this job completed. I thought it was just going to take one, but It doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. I mean, for my first time doing something like this, there's not a lot of dripping and running. See, even this bottom shelf looks real nice. This is the one that I basically use most of the paint on. And the sides not looking bad at all. So I think it was a job well done. I just need to get 2 more of these and 2 or 3 more of these, and I can get this project completed. We'll see what my aunt says when she comes. Maybe she likes it the way it is, but knowing her, she's going to want to get the next 2 bottles of paint for me to finish it. But I'm just going to leave it in the sun so it can finish drying until later, and then move it back inside for another day when I get the rest of the paint. But yeah, this has just been a quick vlog by Moments by Boothe. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you think of this bookshelf and what you think about my technique in spraying, or any form of advice that you can leave in the comment section below for the next time that I'm going to spray the rest of it. That would be very much appreciated. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well. Thank you for watching. AB signing out.